Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, The Tadka Project. Today we're going to show you how to make a flavorful, velvety, and extremely easy to make eggplant and bell pepper sabzi or curry. So let's get cooking. Here I have one large eggplant, one large green bell pepper, one small Roma tomato, a handful of cilantro, 1 tablespoon of sambar powder. You can also substitute this with garam masala, 1 tablespoon of coriander seed powder, 1.5 teaspoons of Kashmiri red chili powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, and a quarter teaspoon of hing or asafoetida. We first want to chop our eggplant into half-inch thick sticks like this. We're then going to roughly slice our bell pepper. We're then going to chop our tomato into large chunks. And roughly chop our cilantro as well. And that's all the prep we need to do for this dish. In a pan here on medium-high heat, we're adding 2 teaspoons of sunflower oil. You can use any flavorless oil of your choice. Once the oil is hot, we're going to add our mustard seeds and wait for it to splutter. Once the seeds start to splutter, we're going to add our hing and turmeric powder and mix this well. We only want to cook this for around 5 to 10 seconds. After which, we're going to add in our sliced eggplant and bell pepper. We're going to mix this really well. And then add in our coriander powder, red chili powder, and sambar powder. We're also going to salt to taste and mix everything really well. We're then going to reduce the heat to medium-low, cover the pot with a lid, and cook for around 5 minutes. After the 5-minute mark, we're going to add in our chopped tomatoes, once again mix everything really well, cover the pot with a lid, and cook again for 2 to 3 minutes till the tomatoes break down. We know the dish is completely cooked when a fork goes through an eggplant with no resistance. It's totally fine if the bell pepper still has a slight crunch to it, as it adds to the texture of the dish. We're then going to garnish our curry with the chopped cilantro. This is an extremely simple but flavorful meal that you can pair with some quinoa or any grain of your choice and a simple side salad. You can also have this curry with some rice or tortillas, and we can always add in a quick dal on the side for some added warmth and protein. Please let me know if you make this recipe in the comments below and what you paired it with. And please like and subscribe because I come out with new videos every Sunday. And I'll see you next time with another recipe. Bye!